Guys, today I will cook very hot waffles. I mean really hot that even the mother of dragons would like it. Who doesn't know, I really love to make waffles, just cause my mom doesn't allow me to touch anything else in the kitchen. Well, what do you think? Will I burn the waffle iron or the waffle iron is invincible? Let's find it out. Holy black waffles! Who knows why copper has become black? Okay, let's pick it up. At first glance, the waffle iron is intact. But no, just look at these dents and even holes. Oh man! Now I need to come up with a real explanation for my mom why it happened to her waffle iron. Will you help me, guys? Do you still want experiments with molten copper? Tell me. And as usual, I will share in my next videos the most crazy and unusual ideas for my next experiments. So be sure to share your thoughts. And I love to jump on a trampoline with my brother. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.